Welcome to Read and Learn English. Today, we will learn how to use the past tense in English through a long and engaging story. By the end of this lesson, you will understand past tense verbs, sentence structures, and how to use them naturally in conversation and writing. Understanding past tense. The past tense is used to describe actions that have already happened. There are three main types of past tense. 1. Simple past. I walked to the store. 2. Past continuous. I was walking to the store when it started raining. 3. Past perfect. I had walked to the store before it closed. Now, let's dive into a story that will help you practice these tenses in context. The mysterious letter. One evening, Emma sat in her cozy living room reading an old book. The rain pattered against the windows, and the dim light of her lamp cast long shadows on the walls. She had always loved rainy nights, but this one felt different. As she turned the page, a small envelope fell out from between the pages. The envelope was yellowed with age, and her name was written on it in elegant handwriting. Emma had never seen this letter before. Curious, she picked it up and carefully opened it. Inside, she found a letter dated 50 years ago. It was written by her grandfather, who had passed away many years earlier. The letter described a secret hidden in their old family home. Emma's heart raced as she read the words. Her grandfather had hidden a special key under the oak tree in the backyard. Without hesitation, Emma grabbed her coat and rushed outside. The rain had stopped, and the moon shone brightly in the sky. She searched near the tree and finally discovered a small metal box buried beneath the soil. With trembling hands, she opened it and saw a beautiful locket with her grandmother's picture inside. Tears welled up in her eyes. She had never known about this part of her family's history. That night, she sat by the fire, holding the locket and thinking about the past. Breaking down the past tenses in the story. Let's analyze the different types of past tenses used in the story. Simple past describes completed actions. Emma sat in her cozy living room. She opened the letter. She rushed outside. Past continuous describes an ongoing action in the past, often interrupted by another action. The rain was pattering against the windows. The moon was shining brightly in the sky. Past perfect describes an action that happened before another past action. Her grandfather had hidden a special key. She had never known about this part of her family's history. Past tense is essential for telling stories and talking about past events. By practicing through stories, you can improve your ability to use different past tenses naturally. Keep reading, writing, and practicing, and soon, using the past tense will feel effortless. Question for you. What did Emma find inside the book? Share it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Read and Learn English for more engaging English lessons. Happy learning!